Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yo, walk warning to the Epicest them. I don't know it's your boy Radekal Epic. Yo, today we're there with a new different type of video. We are gonna drop a challenge pound. I give you a snack. That snack yeah. You see me? This is gonna be the fourth time I ever eat that snack yeah. And in the supermarket, I see it and I buy it one time. And the snack did hot. It hot, me I tell you. Yo, this is the hottest snack me ever eat. You see when you talk about spicy, and that snack you talk about. You see if this snack was a person, it would have full of more drama than spice. If this snack was a person, it would have hotter than the Angel OnlyFans. This a snack yeah, it would have hotter than Aishana when she just drop equal rights. You see this a snack yeah, where that snack yeah hot. Snoop Dogg and Pharrell wouldn't even pick it up, so they couldn't drop it like it's hot. You see pre? Yeah man, so we are gonna do a look video upon that snack. I'm gonna eat that snack and see if I can actually eat that snack without me cough. Cause for 3 times when I eat that snack already, I cough for 3 times. I tell them I have to cough. So we just do that little challenge to see what go on, to see if I can actually eat that snack without cough. You see me, so big up on yourself for watching the video. I go give you a local second for you place on bets in the comment. You put on the bet and you think me I go cough, you think me I go last 30 seconds for eating this without cough, you think me I last 1 minute, you think me just go near me while I snack without coughing. When you drop that in the comment, I give you a local 30 seconds. So when you go do that, I mean you're not good in the comments, you just click the like button, you see me, and do it do. If at first you watch me, just click the subscribe button to you see me, just click the button them and do the do. You see the pre? Yeah man. So me I go eat that snack here in a 30. Now me I give you a 10 seconds for you go like the video and comment on the bet. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, see it now. I go challenge it on. So look see if me can actually eat the snack and don't cough. Alright. I feel like me can go a good 30 seconds without eating the snack, you know. You see me? You see me? I'm not lie still. Half of the bag, less than half of the bag actually is snack. The rest are just ear. You see me? Sent me potato chips, the hot flavor. Yeah man, so we are going to see how it tastes, you know. Yeah man, you know say it tastes good, but we see if we can eat it without cough. Alright? One cough already for the first time. Now I go cough. Now I cough. You can water. Real cough. Now I 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 cough. Everyone, don't taste so. Just spicy like you don't know me, no. Nah. I know my taste bud get accompanied to it. Taste bud accustomed to it. Nah, I basically done. Nah, actually do it. I never saw that man. I'm done. I'm not cough. No bad. Take me that cough too, but no cough. Hey, you know can bet with me, you know. All who bet against me. When I drop on the comment, I make me know. Even though the bet say me coulda win. You see me? Yo. Yeah man. You know, as hot as the previous one them, so I eat, but it's still nice, you see me? I think me dog actually cough before me done, but me not cough, me hold it out like a J and a certain thing set. You see me? So yeah man, like that. Look a video, me just open and enjoy it, you see me just say make me do that video, give you something for watch and enjoy yourself, you see me? Yeah man, so bless up on yourself, you know it's your boy Radekal Epic, it's epic out here, I'm out.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows production.
Radical and big.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.